Understanding Bleed from the Ears, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that might sound a bit alarming at first. Bleed from the ears. Don't worry. We'll unpack its meaning, origin, and how to use it in conversation. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound like a native, stick around. You might have guessed that bleed from the ears isn't meant to be taken literally in most contexts. Instead, this phrase is a figurative expression used to describe a situation where someone is exposed to extremely loud noises, annoying sounds, or overwhelming information that is metaphorically painful to endure. It vividly conveys the idea of something being so intense or unbearable that it feels like it could cause physical harm, even though it doesn't actually make anyone's ears bleed. Tracing the exact origin of idiomatic expressions can sometimes be tricky since they often evolve from colloquial speech over time. However, the phrase, bleed from the ears, likely emerged from the vivid imagery it creates, common in the English language's rich tapestry of idioms. It's a powerful way to express the physical and sensory overload in a hyperbolic manner, emphasizing the speaker's discomfort or irritation. To fully grasp any idiom, it's crucial to see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. After the concert. The music was so loud last night. I thought my ears would bleed. 2. During a noisy event. With all this racket, I'm going to start bleeding from the ears. 3. Expressing frustration with complex information. Trying to understand quantum physics without any background is like making your ears bleed. In each case, the phrase exaggerates the speaker's feelings towards loud noises or challenging situations, without any real physical harm. Using idioms like bleed from the ears can add color and expressiveness to your English. However, it's important to use them in the appropriate contexts. This phrase works well in informal settings among friends or in creative writing to convey strong emotions or reactions. However, it's best avoided in formal situations, such as business meetings or academic papers, where a more straightforward language is preferred. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, bleed from the ears. We hope you found this exploration both informative and entertaining. Remember, mastering idioms is a great way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fun and useful English language tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.